welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing yet another business video helping you guys grow and excel your online businesses with ease. So I've got a lot of requests to do a video on how to create content, marketing content for your online business using Canva. You can use the free version, but they also have a pro version, which I definitely recommend because this way you are able to utilize all of their features and you're not limited. And I feel like the price is pretty decent. So as you guys can see, I use Canva for literally everything. And you guys know I have multiple pages. I have my business coaching. I have my Instagram. I have the House of Glitters. And I also have a plant page that I just started up. So I use Canva literally for everything. Just a quick look. These are all of the designs I use. I even use Canva to do my YouTube thumbnails. That's why I'm telling you guys the price that you're going to be paying for Canva is definitely worth it. And if you guys are interested in getting Canva, I have a link in the description. You guys can sign up and utilize it, guys. Definitely utilize it. Okay, so we are going to create something new. So I'm just going to go back to the Canva home. And as you guys can see, you can choose from the different things. So we are going to go to social media and we are going to be creating an Instagram post. So if you guys want to do it for Facebook, then you would click on Facebook, but these are going to be the Instagram templates that they have. You can keep scrolling until you find something that you're interested in. And just keep in mind, when you pick something, you can definitely change everything about it. Like say if I wanted to use this is so cute and nice and simple. I could just customize that and put it to my likings and use my colors and make it specifically for my brand. Okay, so I'm just going to find something that I'm going to show you guys how to customize it really quick. Obviously I want something cute and pink, so I'm just gonna type in pink, and as you guys can see, all of these pink things pop up. Let's see, I like this one. This is nice and simple and pretty much straight to the point. So we are going to click on the image first, and we are going to replace this image because this is not of anything that I have in my store. So I want to replace this image. I'm going to go over to my uploads, and these are all the images that I have uploaded in the past of my products and of myself. Again, I also use this for my YouTube and so many different uses I use this for. So I'm just going to create something really quick for this mosquito bag. So I'm just going to drag the picture there. As you guys can see, it popped in right away. I didn't have to do anything extra. If I don't want to use this picture, I could always choose something else, but I'm just gonna go with that. I was thinking about doing this hat because it's already transparent. So maybe I'll do this hat because the background is already transparent. If you want to crop it, you just literally double click on it and it crops the area that you want to show and what you don't want to show. So I'm going to go ahead and press done and crop that. And then I'm going to center that picture. This is literally so cute. I love it already. And then we are going to change the words here. This says shop our summer collection. We are going to put shop our pinkaholic beanies. I'm just going to type that in. Beanies. And if you want to change the text, you would go up here, and they have so many different texts that you guys can choose, but I'm just gonna make sure I remember the text that they have there already because I really like that one. That's how you change the font. If you want to change the color, you just go up to this A right here and you would press the color. The thing I like about Canva is that they actually give you colors that are dedicated for your brand. Once you upload the picture, these are the colors that match the hat aesthetic. So those are the colors that I could use, but I'm just gonna go with pink because my brand is pink based. My internet is being weird. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back pink and like that. This would be something super simple, super easy if you wanted to do this design. I'm just going to type in my website, which is the House of Glitters.com. And that's my website. And this is something super cute. If it was a cell, I could add a element. We're going to go to elements. If it was a cell, and then I would type in cell, and so many different cell pictures come up. Of course, you could change the colors. I normally use this one. I don't know why my pro thing says it's not available, but I do have the pro feature. So I would use something like this and just minimize the size and like put this in the corner somewhere and put the percentage off that I'm going to be giving the person. They also have animated things. This one's shop. If I wanted it to be like a video, this would be super cute. Of course, you could change the color on that one. And they also have this one, which is cute, and you could change the color on that, like announcing that it's a sale. There are so many different features that Canva has. This one I actually see a lot. This is an animated sell post. I actually like this, so I think I might use this. And I also like the yellow. I like how the colors go together. So I think I'm going to use that sell one. You just got to play around with it and get familiar with the buttons. Again, this is the upload. This is how you add different text. You can preview all of the text and check which text you want to see. If you have a automated post, you can add music to it. And you can also add your logos, and everything is literally here. So I love how it's so easy to use. So yeah, this is the first post that I'm going to create. I'm actually going to post this on my Instagram probably today. I like the way this came out. So yeah, that's how that looks, and this is going to be the first video. I am going to do another video to keep giving you guys content on how to use Canva and create marketing products for your business. And this is super duper affordable to do, and you can do it yourself using your computer or your phone. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. So let me know what you guys want to see me create here on Canva next time. Let me know in the comments, guys. So till next time, guys. Bye.